Okay, so what these are 90-degree solder pins, I guess you could call them. They go into the board, the small holes on the board. But first what you can do is put the wires in them first. See, just to help you hold them in the holes there. So, see how this goes. Pre-tin a wire here, a little bit, best I can. I'm going to try to fill up the little solder area also on there without catching my envelope on fire, like that. And then get it in there, get the wire in there. And that's it. Let's see if that holds. That's pretty good. That's one. Go over to this one. Fill it up. Pre-tin my wire. And let's maybe flip it around, see if that's any easier. Putting my soldering iron underneath the cup, and then just inserting the wire. And that's it. Next we'll put it on the board.